In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade my funded futures on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to tradingview.com and you want to hover over products and click on super charts. Now, of course, for this, you must be signed into your TradingView account, or you can just create one if you don't have one yet. And then over here, once you are under super charts, you want to click on trading panel. Okay, so at first it's going to look like this. Click on trading panel, and sometimes you may have to actually drag it up like this. There we go, and then you'll be able to see the trading panel. Now, what you're going to have to find here is actually Tradovate, okay? And this is because Tradovate is actually the way you can actually connect your My Funded Futures on TradingView. So first, you must go to My Funded Futures, and when you're accepting a challenge here, and when you're trying to purchase a desired plan, you can basically go ahead and select a platform. The platform you should select over here is Tradovate, because as you can see down below, just below Tradovate, it says that TradingView is actually supported whenever you choose a platform Tradovate, okay? So after you do it, you basically just create your account and you'll be able to connect to your Tradovate, you'll receive your credentials, etc., okay? And after you actually do have your account created and connected, you can then go ahead over here, click on Show All Brokers, and then in here, you want to look for Tradovate, okay? So for me, it's over here, as you can see. I'm going to click on it. You want to type in your Tradovate username and password, so the credentials you receive on the My Funded Futures dashboard, and after you do that, you'll be able to connect your account and go ahead and start trading on TradingView with My Funded Futures using Tradovate. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.